everyone, welcome back to Dazola Designs. You guys, I have another fabulous yarn giveaway for you all today. I have a table full of crochet items, like literally everything is on top of each other. This is the yarn that I will be giving away. I bought this yarn, I did not realize, back in 2020. This is the Big Twist Soft, you guys. It is super soft. It is now discontinued. But when I buy yarn, I buy a ton of it and I buy the yarn for you. So this will be another You Pick yarn giveaway. Gorgeous fall and winter colors, you guys. But first, it is WIP Wednesday, and I'm gonna talk to you guys about my WIPs. So let's turn the camera around and get started. Okay, everyone, so you can see I have a ton of stuff. I literally just piled everything on my table to talk about today. First thing I want to talk about is my current WIP, since this is WIP Wednesday. As you may or may not know, I am sponsored by Hobbii, and they send us monthly campaigns. I am a Hobbii, it's called a Pattern Plus designer. So each month they send us campaigns to do. This month, starting this month through December, I will be working on this blanket. And a lot of you ask me how I find my crochet inspiration. And I actually find most of my crochet inspiration from these books. I buy a lot of old books through abe.com, I think it's abebooks.com, abebooks.com. I'll have the link down below. It's a great place to find old crochet books for a really, really good price. I pay like maybe $2 to $10 for them. This book is actually from the year 2000. It's Crochet Your Way from Gloria Tracy and Susan Levin. I really like these books because, and you know, you don't really know until you buy them. It's from the year 2000 right here. It kind of looks like it's from 1980. But anyway, this particular book has the patterns. It has the pattern diagrams, which I really like because I like just to read the pattern. And then it also has the pattern printed out for you. So of course, it has all of the gorgeous photos, all of the wonderful, like, look at that. I mean, you can totally rework that. But oh, there's my lotto tickets. This is what I was looking through it. So I was originally going to make a granny square blanket. I could not. I found a pattern that I kind of like, but I started doing it and I did not like it at all. So I was going through all these books that I have and I saw this pattern. This is a gorgeous sweater that she's wearing, but I said, wow, that would make a really, really cool blanket. So here is the pattern right here. And I'm like, oh, so I started doing it and I really, really liked it. I did modify this pattern. I took out a row of picots and just did single crochets. And then with the double, triple crochet 2 together or something like that. I don't know. But this is that pattern and I really, really like it. You guys can see the picots are right here. This row is just single crochet with the double, triple crochet 2 together, and then I did the picots and I'm starting in the red. This will be 5 different colors in total. Again, it's going to be like a throw blanket, probably about 5 by 7, 5 feet by 7 feet. So this is what I will be working on my lives, and just throughout the next months. It's going to take a while. I just threw all this stuff up here, you guys. Another thing that I completely finished, I have 2 crochet tutorials. They are available to my channel members, super awesome and above. You guys, it's only $5.99. All of my Hobbii crochet items I have to put at a price. I'm under contract with them. I cannot give them away for free, but What I am offering you guys is for channel memberships, $5.99 and above, you will have access to all of my Hobie crochet tutorials. And like I said, I'm going to be doing about one a month. So there will be a lot on there. If you guys would like to check out the crochet tutorial for this is the Festive Fans. And it is super, super gorgeous. It's super awesome, you guys. It is a very beginner friendly. It is just triple crochets and single crochets, and it is super awesome. If you guys would like to check out that tutorial, I will have it up here. And then I also made I'm calling this my Sierra scarf. Super gorgeous. I made this with the Hobie Pearly Haze yarn. It came out so wonderful. There is a slight sheen to it, and I love this so much. The yarn is absolutely super, super spectacular. This would make a great gift. I personally made it into an infinity scarf. You can see the join right here. You guys can make it into a long scarf, however long you want it, with fringe, without fringe, whatever. But if you would like to make this, I will also have the crochet tutorial up here. One more finished WIP that I have that you guys have been seeing. This one I'm very, very proud of. This is my face lace table runner. You can also use it. It does make a great wrap. I have worn this out and I've received a ton of compliments on them. You guys can see the faces in the pattern. This is available for purchase through Hobie.com. I'm super, super excited about that, you guys. And it's super spectacular. So if you would like to do that, I'll have the link right up here too, the pattern link. If you guys didn't catch any of that, all the links will be down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Let's get to this giveaway, you guys. This is another You Pick yarn giveaway. Let me move this out of the way. So sorry about that. Kind of messy. So You Pick yarn giveaway. This is Big Twist Soft. This skein got kind of messed up. This is 320 yards of beauty. It is a 6mm hook, 4 weight, and this color is red. If you guys have not done, if it's for your first time here, welcome. If you're new to my You Pick yarn giveaways, it's literally You Pick. And I usually say it at the end, but please, please, please take note of the quantity and colors that you like. So again, I have 2 of the red. This is a gorgeous fall color. This one is gold. I think I have 2 of the gold right here. Again, Big Twist Soft. It is super, super soft. It is a lot softer than the Big Twist Value. I don't know why maybe it's just too much of the same. I don't know why they discontinued this. Anyway, this color is orange. It is a nice pumpkin orange for all of your pumpkin. Oh, you know what? I made a pumpkin. I got to get that one out. This one is orange, and I have 2 of those. This is a super, super gorgeous color. This one is cranberry. I have 2 of those. Beep. And then I have 2 of the black. And then I have 1 each of the purple. And then 1 of the teal. Super, super pretty colors, you guys. I love the colors of these. Very, very fall and winter colors. What do you have to do to win this yarn? All you have to do is make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Most of you are, you guys. I really, really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and then you can pick 4 of your favorite colors. Whatever combination you like. Maybe you like 2 of the, what color is this? Gold with cranberry and orange. Whatever color combination you like, you pick 4. Let me know down below and answer the following question. Halloween's coming up. We're already in October, you guys. And I'm going to ask you a Halloween themed question that I like to ask every year. Pumpkin patch season is upon us, you guys. Where do you go to get your pumpkins? Let me know down below. And we always go to the coast. I live over here in the San Francisco Bay Area. We always go out to the coast. There's a ton of pumpkin patches and it's so awesome, and we make a day of it, and it's really, really, really fun. So let me know down below, you guys, what your 4 favorites are. Let me know the color. You have to have the exact color name, and let me know where you pick up your pumpkins from. You guys, thank you so, so much for watching my channel. Thank you so, so much for being here. I appreciate every single one of you, you guys. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and we will talk to each other in the next video. Bye.